Okay, I'm seriously excited for this unboxing today. Look at this. BizReply from AppSumo just arrived. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First impression. Sleek interface, super clean dashboard. BizReply promises to track keyword mentions in real time. That means no more missing important brand conversations. I'm logging into my account for the first time now. Setup's surprisingly quick. Just connect your social accounts. Now, let's add some keywords relevant to my brand. Instantly, BizReply starts monitoring across platforms. Look, mentions are popping up live on my dashboard. Here's the cool part. AI-powered responses. Let's try replying to a mention using the AI tool. The suggested reply is natural and on-brand. I can edit or send it as is. Super convenient. This could save me hours every week on engagement. Notifications are real-time, no lag, no missed opportunities. I'm testing it with multiple keywords for my campaigns. BizReply keeps up, even with a high volume of mentions. I love how it consolidates everything in one place. No more jumping between platforms to reply. The Analytics tab shows engagement stats at a glance. I can see which keywords drive the most conversation. The AI learns from my previous replies, gets smarter over time. If you manage multiple brands, switching accounts is seamless. I'm noticing a boost in my brand's visibility already. Automated replies mean I never leave customers waiting. It's especially useful during busy product launches. I'm impressed by the customization options for responses. You can tweak tone, length, even add emojis. Security-wise, everything feels robust and professional. Support is responsive, got answers to my questions fast. For social media managers, this is a serious time saver. Brand marketers will love the analytics and automation. Small business owners, this levels the playing field. Honestly, I wish I'd found BizReply sooner. If you're overwhelmed by social engagement, check this out. But if you only get a few mentions a month, it might be overkill. For active brands, though, it's a game changer. Plus, the AppSumo deal makes it super affordable. Final verdict, BizReply is efficient, smart, and easy to use. Ready to streamline your social engagement? Grab BizReply on AppSumo today.